Hello! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add multiple accounts to the MKT Insta software and assign a proxy to each account. With MKT Insta, you can easily spoof Chrome and IP for each account individually, helping you run marketing campaigns more efficiently while minimizing the risk of account bans or shadow bans. It saves you hours of manual work. Let's dive into the first part, how to bulk add accounts into the software. First, you need to prepare an account category like this. Each account corresponds to one line. Next, click on the Account Management interface, then select the Add Category option. Have you entered the category name for your accounts? Then click the plus icon to create the category. Now move to the Add Account section. Paste your account information list into this box. Then select the account category name you just created. Next, choose the format. Then, choose the input format. Username, password, private key. Next is cookie. And finally email. After pasting everything in, click Save. The software will automatically add the accounts to the selected category. Now you can log in automatically with each account, but next I'll guide you on how to assign proxies to these accounts. Prepare your proxy file, copy all the proxy data, then right-click and paste it into the proxy section. The software will automatically assign the proxy to each account. From now on, every account will run with its own proxy, reducing the chance of getting blocked or flagged. You can check the Chrome info changes at the end of the video. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you'd like to try out the software or need help installing it, my contact information is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos.